In June 1996, Quake changed the landscape of first-person shooters and gaming technology, but not without taking a toll on its creators and shaking developer id Software to its foundation. Hi, I'm author David L. Craddock. You may have read my work on Shack News, Waypoint, and Pace Magazine, among other online and print publications. I'm also the author of gaming history books such as Dungeon Hacks, Breakout, and the Stay a While and Listen series. Rocket Jump, Quake, and the Golden Age of First-Person Shooters is my most comprehensive work yet. It's a narrative-style book that delves into the making of id Software's Quake franchise and explores some of the games influenced by Quake. I published Rocket Jump on gaming and tech website shacknews.com in December 2017. The book-sized article met with huge demand for release in print, so I'm thrilled and proud to announce that I've partnered with Unbound to publish the full story as a hardcover book. At nearly 500 pages, Rocket Jump is the culmination of months of interviews, research, and revising. In writing the story of how the Quake franchise was made, I received first-hand accounts from dozens of developers, including John Carmack, John Romero, American McGee, Sandy Peterson, Tim Willits, Adrian Carmack, and many more. While previous books have documented the history of id Software's early years, Rocket Jump goes far beyond the making of the original Quake. You'll get plenty of exhaustive design details about Quake and its sequels, but you'll also get to walk alongside its developers to experience firsthand the technological breakthroughs and political power plays that defined its culture. In addition to a deep dive into id's development history, Rocket Jump also chronicles the making of other influential shooters from the 90s, such as Half-Life, Team Fortress, and Duke Nukem 3D, just to name a few. But Rocket Jump is more than a story about the making of one of gaming's most iconic brands. It's a story about the forging and breaking of friendships, and how those relationships left an indelible mark on not just technology, not just the multi-billion-dollar video game industry, but on pop culture at large, as well as millions of personal lives, mine included. I'm working with Unbound to share this story with you, but your support is essential. As a reward for pledging to our campaign, we're offering collector's copies of the hardcover book, but beyond that, we've got a mega health-sized trove of extras, including autographed editions and exclusive materials. Thank you for your support.